My name is Victor Ochen. I am the director for African Youth Initiative Network, which is a Ugandan-based human rights organization working to promote peace and justice. My standing here is to testify about the important partnership between AYINET, Ramassà Football Club, and Las Franquesa municipality in Catalonia. It's my delight that we are coming together as people of this planet, those who are committed and dedicated to promote the talent of young people by use of sports in a way that we can reawaken and mobilize the world to stand up for justice, to stand up for peace. It's my joy to talk about this partnership that we hope it will be an opportunity for us to bring change in the lives of so many people who are going through misfortunes of war, of conflict, of suffering, of poverty. We stand with you. We hope we can mobilize your potential, we can mobilize your talent to make the world a better place. Let's stand up for justice. Let's stand up for peace. Thank you, AYINET. Thank you, Ramassà Football Club. And thank you, Las Franquesa municipality in Catalonia. Let's work together. Let's make the world a better place. Let's stand for what the United Nations stand for, that is Sustainable Development Goal, with focus on a world that is peaceful, just, and through the potential of young people, we can raise up our banner for justice, banner for humanity, and banner for equality. Thank you.